Okay, this is a fiberglass tub. Doesn't that edge look nice and clean? Well, they had some caulking, and they did a pretty good job. They got some caulking about the same color as the grout, but it's cracked over time. I cleaned it all out. I'm glad it was caulking and not grout, because I cleaned it out with a nice little putty knife, razor blade. I got the razor blade nice and clean so that there's no little edge where the caulking was, and took my crummy little paintbrush. I use this thing for all kinds of stuff. I just use it to do some paint touch-up. Look at that, it's a throwaway paintbrush. I use it as a little broom. Got that all cleaned up, and now I'm ready to install the caulking. And what kind of caulking am I using? The same stuff that I used around that sink downstairs. Here, this is what I'm using. DAP Quick Seal Ultra, and it's gloss white. It's for kitchen, bath, and plumbing. It's advanced siliconized sealant, repels water, soap, scum, stains, and dirt. 100% waterproof and crack proof. It says it's crack proof. We'll see. Sealant stays looking clean, fresh, and new. That's what I like about this stuff. It's silicone. It's not designed to be painted over, so when you put it on, you got to put it on nice and clean and get the excess off. And I've got a small little tip, and I wanted to do it today. After you use your caulking, if you got half a tube left and you got a small little tip, good luck 6 months from now thinking you're going to get this caulking out of this tube through a small little tip like that. You may have to take a drill bit and drill down through there. I usually like to poke it with this thing here, see? But even then, you poke it, and then all you're doing is taking the hard caulking that's inside here, this neck, and you're kind of pushing it down in here. So as you're trying to caulk, again, a little bit of the caulking comes out, and then it gets plugged up, and then you have to keep poking, and then pretty soon you have to dig this out, and the tip's not as nice as it used to be. I wish they made all of the caulk tubes to where you can unscrew this end. Then you could clean this end out, you know what I mean, down to here. Some tubes, I've seen that, but most regular caulking tubes don't have that. Okay, so I've got some what do you want to call them, napkins to wipe my fingers off. I've got a bucket of water here. Okay, I'm not really going to use too much water, but I want to keep my sponge wet a little bit. And there's a rhyme to the reason. You know, as I go, I want to keep this caulking off of everything else, so I'll have a wet finger after a while. And as I cut that tip, I put a black felt tip marker on the edge so I know which edge is there, because a lot of times it gets turned sideways, you may not know it, and as you're putting it down, you're like, okay, what's happening here? You have to keep looking at the tip to make sure it's coming out straight. Well, I don't have to do that because I got the felt tip pin on there. And I'm just going to start right there. And I go back and forth like this. Okay? Now I can control exactly where it goes. Some painters, you know, they try to just put one quick long bead and be done with it. You know? But I like to kind of do this. And I'm trying to get it on a happy medium. I'm thinking I might have to put it on a little bit thicker when I first started, but we'll see. See, that gives me the right consistency, doesn't it? Okay, I don't have to go any further than that for right now, because from here I'm gonna stop And then I'm going to go back this direction because I don't like to go straight and then try to keep going that way. Now I want to go from my tip this direction. In fact, why don't I just do that from here? I'm going to wrap it around this corner. I'm trying to keep it on about the same thickness. And is there a right and wrong way to do caulking? Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. I gotta get this on. If you get it on too much, that's okay. Just keep her going. See, I got a little bit extra on there, more so than this side. Good Lord. All right, I'm gonna wipe that off. And see, this silicone gets all over if you don't keep wiping it off your finger. Okay, so I'm going to take my napkin and clean that off. I want to try to keep it off of my finger. I'm going to build this up just a hair more. Okay, and I'll be able to. I want a nice. I don't want the edge too thin, but I don't want it too thick either. Okay, so now I'm just kind of trying to add a little bit. If I get it too thin, it's really not going to do what it's supposed to do because it's going to be easier for it to crack. And I know it said it's not supposed to crack. Okay? You want to press that a couple times when you have a new tube. Okay? Because it keeps wanting to spill out. Alright? Okay. Now, my finger is clean. I've got a little bit of wetness on there. And my first go, I'm not going to do it perfect. I've got more pressure down on the tub than on the wall. Okay? I'm just cleaning up. I'm putting more pressure down at the bottom, and I'm not even doing anything at the top just yet. Okay? When I feel it's building up on my finger, I'm going to take it off. Now I want to wipe some off the tub, the tile. So now I'm pressing on that. See? And when I get done, it's going to look straight. Trust me. Okay? And if you put too much and you just go over it in one big old amount, you're going to get it way up high in your grout lines on your tile and all that. So that's why when it builds up on my finger a little bit, I'm going to take it off. Okay? I'm still not pressing all the way tight because I don't want it to come out too much on the tub. Okay, so far. Now when I get to there, I'm going to come back with my other finger, same finger on the left-hand side. Okay. You don't want to get that silicone caulking all over the place, okay? You just don't want to do that, trust me. Okay, now I'm going to get my finger wet a little bit. And now I'm going to it's just going to help that silicone kind of go right where it's supposed to go. See, I don't even have any on my finger really. And I got it about the same height. See? Now I'm going to get my other finger wet on this side and go some more. When you get it wet, it allows that caulking to slide right down where you want it. And you see, it's not even sticking on my finger, and I got about the right amount. Now I'm going to look at it. I'm going to look at it and see. I'm just getting my finger a little wet again and see what I need to do. Now I'm pressing in a little bit harder, and that's moving the caulking just a little bit.